really need a spa day. Hannah, can I have a spa day? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Snark Sleepy. You're the Sleepy Nation, and today the Sleepy Show does spa day. Hannah's going to let me pick anything I want from her makeup set, and then I'm going to do spa day. Yeah. Oh, it is windy today in Galashiels.
Or this one.
You picking your face masks out. What have we got? Is this what all your spa stuff is?
Some spa stuff. Got stuff in the bathroom.
Is that spa stuff?
It's makeup and moisturiser. What are you looking for?
I don't know. What you doing a spa day?
Anything you want.
There's more stuff in the bathroom.
Yeah, stuff in there as well.
In where? Oh. I need a face mask. And then stuff for my nails. That's definitely a...
Moisturiser.
That's a moisturiser. I don't need that, do I?
Not right now.
Just want it bounces.
Yeah.
Can you open it so I can bounce it?
Do you not want to wear it, put it on later?
Yeah, but I want to bounce it. This is the messy room. Boing, boing, boing. What else is in here? Day cream. I should start with a day cream. Refreshing toner, that can probably get used too. Anti-pores, I don't know what that does. Body lotion? Nah, I don't need that. Tone, cleanse and moisturise your soft skin. Yeah, he's doing too. I need to find a face mask. Where are the face masks?
There's some in the bathroom cupboard and there's one downstairs.
Pure clay detox mask, that'll do. Should we start? Oh, you're putting yours on.
Yeah.
Nope, that's me demonetised for blackface.
Hey.
Right. Hannah, what do I start with?
What do you want to start with?
Guess this.
A toner? Why?
Clean my face.
You clean your face with that.
With this to clean my face.
Or the wipes.
With this to clean my face. This is a revitalising coconut water wipes. I'm led to believe these are what people use when they want to be prettiful. Is that correct? Hannah's taking me to spaghetti. What is the spaghetti policy here? Right, I do this. See, this is what all these beauty vloggers are missing out on. Beard-based beauty care. What we should be doing is like cleaning my face more. Right, what comes after I've rubbed it?
You can put your face mask on if you want.
What about the eyes?
Well, do you want to do them before the face mask or after the face mask?
Just do it at the same time.
You could do it at the same time if you want.
Yeah, I want to be as pretty as possible. So these are like
It says nothing.
eye things. And you put them on your eye and it makes you look really youthful.
You like those.
I do, because I'm really youthful. I'm not gonna lie, I look pretty damn good in this camera right now. Is this how the beauty vloggers you watch on YouTube do these kind of things? Or they have slightly more personality than I do? Since you're not on camera, nodding is not helpful. Is that because you don't want to be thought of a racist while you're not appearing on camera? Where's your face mask from, Hannah?
Sephora.
Where's that?
In America.
Oh wow, how did you get that?
You brought me it.
Yeah. Ah, it's in my eye! Ah! Ah! Ah, it stings! Ow! Right, okay. That looks so pretty. How's your face mask, Hannah? Are you not talking? Why not?
Don't want to.
Is it because you look a bit like a racist right now? I'm filming in a spare room today because that's where Hannah keeps her makeup. So I'm using this Pure Clay Detox Mask and I have no idea who makes it.
It's on the lid.
L'Oreal Paris. I feel like they are a well-known makeup brand. I guess I just kind of put it on my hand and just rub it in, I guess. Oh, I'm going to need a lot more, I think. Is this a wash-off one, Hannah, or a peel-off one?
It's a wash-off one.
Oh, I forget a shower.
No, you just wash it off with a face cloth. There's face cloth there.
Right, I need to get a shower because we went for a run today.
Oh, okay.
This is not exciting. Oh, balls! See, this is the bit you don't normally say of all your favourite like beauty vloggers. Bits when it all goes wrong. Oh, oh, right. I'll just do one eye. It's fine.
You can always put this shit on later.
Yeah, I'll just do one eye for now. Oh, it's all good in my bloody hair. Oh God. Oh man. I am not made out to be a beauty vlogger. To be fair, I've not tried to be a beauty vlogger in ages. The last time was when I did Hannah's nails, I think. And I was terrible at it. As with all things that require me to paint, I get bored about halfway through. Including painting the spare bedroom. But that is a completely different story for a completely different day. Oh, it's all in my hair. I am a bit looking like Captain America, though. Not the character of Captain America, the actor who plays him. Because, you know. Oh, fuck. Yeah. But right in your nostril, that's where it needs to go. Because as all good beauty people know, that's where all your worst features turn up. It's right in your nostril. How long does it take to dry?
What would you like to do now?
What do I do now?
I would wash your hand.
Yeah, I'm going to wash my hand with this cloth.
I'm going to do my nails if you want to do your nails.
Can I have a buff?
Yeah, of course you can.
Yeah! I think I'm dry. Given that I can't really move the upper part of my face properly anymore. There's still a couple of wet patches. And I'm sure watching me do this was like watching paint dry. But clay. Because I've got a clay mask on. Hannah, how'd you get it off?
Just wash it off, babe.
With what?
Just a flannel and warm water.
Flannel and warm water. Do I have a flannel and warm water?
Yeah, flannel's on the radio.
Okay. When I start doing this video, I honestly thought it'd be more exciting than it actually is. Oh God, my hairline. Da 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 da. She's electric. She's in a family full of eccentrics. She's done things I never expected, but I need more time. She's got a cousin. In fact, she's got about a dozen. She's got one in the oven, but it's nothing to do with me. I don't remember the next verse, or even how the chorus goes, but this is more exciting than the previous time lapse. I have an envy for beauty bloggers. They seem to be able to make this shit exciting, but it is just really one man with a flannel. He is cleaning his face off, but he needs more time. He really needs to become better at YouTube, 'cause he wants to quit his job. then he will have millions and millions of pennies, which works out at about £10,000. But he's so okay with that. He can't hold a tune or even really improvise. He forgot to take off his gold thing, and he likes to eat pie.
You're going to need to rinse your cloth off.
That's how I got fat, 'cause I like to eat pies and even ice cream, and sometimes I eat chicken. I am running out of...
If you get all that shit off your face,
Yeah.
I'll do my daily facial routine on you if you want.
Will that make this video more exciting?
Soft
The answer to
skin,
that
though.
question is yes, it will. Because, you know, you just had me doing karaoke. And legendarily, I'm a terrible singer. I mean, I might try to auto-tune it, but I don't know if I can bother with that. Not gonna lie though, my face actually does look nicer.
Wait till I get my hands on it.
I look slightly less dead. Just totally ended up doing Hannah's makeup again. I was great at that.
Maybe another day.
I thought I was banned for doing her makeup now.
Maybe another day. Maybe you and Jack should do each other's makeup.
Yes, I can get Jack on the Sleepy Show. Because the Sleepy Show is basically just what I do in my normal days.
Put makeup on.
Pretty much, yeah.
You do spaghettis quite a bit.
I do spaghetti.
Yeah, you said do-do.
Do. Oh no, that's slightly racist.
Go and wash the rest of that shit off your face.
It's all off my face?
It's not. Your face is grey.
Yeah, I like it. I look like a zombie.
Well, if you wait a wee bit, I can do the rest of your face.
Right, I'm gonna wash this off properly. And then I'm gonna let Hannah do her daily facial routine. As opposed to my daily facial routine, which is to wake up and go. Catch you in a minute. Hannah's taken ages doing her nails. But we are getting ever closer to the live stream. Which means I can stop doing these videos after that and start playing games again. Not sure what's worse actually. Anyone left watching this at this point is a glutton for punishment. This is a very ill-advised video. But the live stream, that's the important bit. Because you can donate to help our Health in Mind charity. And watch me and my friends torture ourselves for 24 solid hours whilst we play games badly, make bad jokes, and hopefully say nothing too offensive. Hopefully. Anyway, donate and help out. I'm not good at charity pledges, that's the best you're getting out of me. Also, my skin looks awesome. And we're back! Hannah's going to show me her daily face routine.
I'm going to tell you what to do and you're going to do it.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's do this then.
There you go.
This is...
It's from Home Bargains.
From Home Bargains.
It's because I have very dry skin, Matt.
Okay, what do I do with it?
So start with maybe like 2 drops on your head. Be very light on it. No, give it to me.
Drop.
That's a drop.
Okay, what do I do with it now?
Rub it into your head with that.
Is this a
It's
cleaning cloth?
Small circular motions. It's a microfiber cloth. I find it best. Get right up into the edges.
That's where my hair used to be.
Yeah. I always put a wee drop. Put your head back so I don't go into your eyes. On the edges of my eyebrows because I get very dry eyebrows.
You might want to save your top up a little bit. Oh, yes. Small circular motion. Oh, my hair looks amazing when the front's wet. Blob. Blob.
Looks like you're crying gold tears.
Oh my god, imagine how much money we'd make. Actually, I don't cry very often. Maybe I should cry more.
Maybe.
Maybe I should be my next video.
Try and get really into there.
Or Sleepy Show.
The driest part.
The Sleepy Show learns to cry. Yeah, it went up my nose. What's next? Like a bat out of hell, I'll be gone when the
Next
morning
is moisturiser.
comes.
So what moisturiser would you like to use?
Which one do you use every day?
Either the blue one or before bed I use this one.
Well, it is night time, so probably the before bed one.
There you go then.
Urgh.
Don't need much. Holy shit!
Oh my god, it is actually showing on camera. It's doing it again! Okay, how much do we need?
You kind of have to pinch it.
Is that enough?
That should be fine.
And just rub it all over my face?
Yeah.
Make a bat out of hell, I'll be gone when the morning gone. It turns out I don't actually remember the rest of the words. Oh.
How's that going in?
Quite well.
How's your skin feeling?
Good. This is cucumber eye roll on, so I'm assuming.
It's for the eye bags. Put quite a bit on.
What, you telling you have big eye bags?
There you go. That's more than enough. And then I rub it all in, even on the eyelids. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to, but I do.
Oh, my eyes! Why did beauty sting?
Sometimes I keep some fun things in here.
Ow! My eyes! It's in my eyes! Anna, it's in my eyes! Oh, it really hurts.
You shouldn't put it in your eyes.
No!
Why did you put it in your
It went
eyes?
in my eye! Ow!
There you go.
Oh, it stings! Okay, what do we do next?
I just had my...
Oh,
Put it down.
oh, Jesus Christ!
Where did I put my toner? I just had it in my hand.
Ah!
Oh,
Here.
here. No.
Ah! What the frickin' hell's a toner? Ah! My eyes! Ah! Everything hurts! Why do you do this every single day?
Well, funnily enough, I don't stick it in my eye.
Ow! I don't like this. It's like torture. What goes my hair?
This one goes in your ear.
You don't need to wash my hair, right?
What?
I'm going to wash my
Yeah,
hair.
I know, but this just smooths out all of the frizz.
But my hair's naturally straight. There's still a line of stuff just around the edge of my beard.
And that's you.
That's your whole routine?
That's my face skincare. It's not that difficult, is it?
It does hurt a lot. Is that spa day done?
If you want it to be done,
Are my hands nice?
you did a mediocre job.
That is my entire raison d'etre.
Okay.
Mediocrity.
Tidy up after yourself.
Why is the worst bit always the tidy up? Pots and pans will start to smell if you don't wash them really well. Now it's clear, let's all smile, we'll be finished in a little while. All around, up and down, we have the cleanest makeup room in town. Well, not even the cleanest actually. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I've been Snark Sleepy. You've been the Sleepy Nation. Same sleepy time, same sleepy channel. Stay sleepy.